Welcome back. We are still on Algebra, and are still treating brackets and simplifying. In this case, we are having two brackets. So we'll take some examples under this. Now let's see example 1. We have to solve this: x plus 5 and x plus 3. X plus 5 in brackets and x plus 3 in another bracket. So we have two brackets to expand. We are going to be distributing now. Let's see. From what you have here, it is saying that you should multiply, let's say this is A by B. So what you have here should multiply everything that is inside this place. So we have x to multiply x to multiply 3. You have the answer. Now the turn of 5 to multiply x, you put it, then you drop that of 5 to multiply 3, and then you can simplify further. And let us go. X times x gives us x squared. X times 3 gives us 3x, right? 5 times x gives us 5x. And then 5 times 3 gives us 15. Now, let's simplify further. Collecting like terms, right? Like terms that I have here, I have this and this looking alike, right? So we can just add them together because the operation behind them is addition. So we have it to become x squared plus 3x plus 5x, that is 8x, then plus 15, and then that is your answer. So that's where we have to stop. Okay, now let's move on. Let's have another example. Example 2. So we have this to be bracket 2x minus 3 times another bracket x plus 3. So let us expand, let us distribute that. We have it to become 2x times x, which gives us 2x squared, 2x times 3, which gives us 6x, minus 3 times s gives us minus 3x. I told us in the last video, minus times plus gives you minus. Now, minus 3 times 3 gives us minus 9. So collecting like term, we have 2x squared. You have 6 plus 6x, and then you have minus 3x. So you can subtract. That's plus 3x minus 9. Example 3. We have 3 open bracket x plus 1 x minus 2. So let us expand this. First off, let this distribute this. Let this enter here. Then once we have the answer, keep it. And you can now multiply it with this second bracket. So let's expand this first. 3 times s gives us 3x. 3 times 1 gives us 3, right? This is what I did there, making it 2 bracket now. Now let us distribute this. Let us expand. This multiply this multiply this, keep it, continue. This multiply this, and then this multiply this again. So 3x times s gives us 3x squared. Then 3x times minus 2 gives us minus 6x. 3 times s gives us plus 3x. 3 times minus 2 gives us minus 6, right? Then we can collect like term. So we have 3x squared minus 6x plus 3x, that is minus 3x minus 6, and then that is your answer. See you in the next video.